Hello! Today I'll show you this bag. We made this base. We use plastic frame inside to be more harder here. I used one skein and little bit from the second one. I decorated with feather and I add this chain also. Let's make it. For this bag, I'll use this frame, this catcher, scissors, number 3 hook, and my yarn is macrame yarn, 200 grams and 135 meters. And I will decorate it with this feather. Let's start. I'll make my slip knot and then chains. For the base, I think these chains are enough. I'll make one more chain and single crochet to the second chain from the hook, and I'll make only single crochet to the end of the row. You can make your chains from here, so you make less chains, and crochet to this way. Today I'll make these at the edge and I'll crochet like this. I'm at the end of the row. I'll make one chain and turn my work and single crochet at the first stitch. Single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. You see, it's enough for our base. And we will make single crochet until we reach here. I have crocheted 15 rows here, and I think it's enough for the base. Now I'll make one chain and single crochet in the same stitch, and I'll make single crochet all around. I cut a plastic frame canvas to make the base more strong. Now we'll join them. I'll make single crochet here, at the next, twice in the corner, and we'll continue to join them by making single crochet. Here and I have joined the plastic frame. I'm at the last stitch and I won't join the row, I'll make a single crochet at the back loop. And I will crochet all around. At the next row, we will make our model, our texture. Sorry. I'm at the end of the row, and now we will make our model. I'm not going to join my row. I'm continue. Single crochet in the first stitch, and I'll put stitch marker, not the loose, to the beginning, and then single crochet in the back loop, single crochet, single crochet in the back loop, one single crochet, one single crochet in the back loop. This is gonna be our texture. I'm here at the end of the row, and I'll make the back loop now. I made the single crochet at the back loop. At the first one, I have made single crochet. Now I must do back loop, single crochet, but I made here also back loop. So I'll skip this stitch and I'll make back loop, no, single crochet here over the back loop from the previous row. So here I made single crochet at the back loop, single crochet. Now I will continue my work. Now back loop, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet at the back loop. We will make back loop, single crochet at the back loop to the single crochet from the previous row, and then in the here we made back loop, single crochet. We will make single crochet. We are at the back loop and single crochet, and then single crochet at the back loop. So if we have single crochet at the back loop, we will make single crochet. If we have single crochet at the back loop, we will make single crochet. If we have single crochet at the back loop, we will make single crochet only. I have finished my bag. I think 70 centimeters are enough. I'll check if it's okay with my catcher. I think it's okay. I have finished my row with the single crochets. I made the decreases, 5 decrease. I made here at the end slip knot, and I hide my tail now. And then we will hide it here. Now I'll pin my feather all around of the bag, and then I'll sew it. I sew my feather here, and then I add the clack, this one, and I sew with this. It's for fishing. If you like, you can use brown color. Thank you for watching. See you at the next project. Bye.